Lemon Balm Ginger Tea is a delicious and soothing herbal infusion that is gaining popularity for its potential health benefits. In this video, we'll explore what Lemon Balm Ginger Tea is, how to make it, and some of its potential health benefits backed by scientific evidence. So let's dive in. What is Lemon Balm Ginger Tea? Lemon Balm Ginger Tea is a blend of two popular herbs, lemon balm and ginger. Now that you know how to make Lemon Balm Ginger Tea, let's explore some of its potential health benefits. Keep in mind that more research is always being conducted and the results are promising. Lemon balm is a member of the mint family and has a citrusy flavor that is reminiscent of lemon, hence the name lemon balm. A meta-analysis published in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine concluded that ginger was effective in reducing nausea and vomiting after surgery, and can be done in just a few minutes. Here's a basic recipe to get you started. Research suggests that lemon balm ginger tea may also offer other health benefits, including improved cognitive function, reduced menstrual pain and a boost to the immune system. However, more studies are needed to confirm these benefits. Lemon balm and ginger contain anti-inflammatory compounds that may help reduce inflammation in the body. A study in the Journal of Functional Foods found that lemon balm extract reduced inflammation markers in people with high cholesterol. Whether you're looking to relax and de-stress or seeking natural ways to support your health, this tea may be worth trying. Just remember to consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns or questions. And with that, we wrap up our video on Lemon Balm Ginger Tea. Don't forget to stay tuned for more informative content. Until next time, happy sipping and good health. A study in the Journal of Herbal Medicine found that lemon balm tea improved sleep quality and reduced insomnia symptoms when consumed before bed. You will need 1 teaspoon of dried lemon balm leaves, 1 teaspoon of grated fresh ginger, 1 cup of boiling water, honey and lemon juice to taste. Add lemon balm leaves and grated ginger to boiling water in a teapot or mug. Cover and steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain the tea and add honey and lemon juice to taste. And that's it. You now have your very own soothing cup of lemon balm ginger tea. Ginger is a flowering plant that's commonly used in cooking and has a spicy and pungent taste. When combined, these herbs create a unique and refreshing tea that can be enjoyed hot or cold. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Pharmacy and Therapeutics found that lemon balm extract was effective in reducing anxiety symptoms in adults. How to make lemon balm ginger tea? Making lemon balm ginger tea is simple. Potential health benefits of lemon balm ginger tea. Stress and anxiety reduction. Lemon balm has been traditionally used to promote relaxation and reduce stress and anxiety. Improved sleep quality. Many people turn to herbal teas to help with sleeplessness. Digestive support. Ginger is well known for its digestive benefits. It can help relieve nausea, reduce bloating and alleviate indigestion. Anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is associated with various diseases. Other potential benefits. In conclusion, lemon balm ginger tea is a delightful and potentially beneficial herbal infusion.